How to send disappearing pictures on WhatsApp. As you already know, by sending a photo through standard means, it remains in the chat and can be downloaded and saved in the phone's memory. The WhatsApp application offers the option to send a photo that can be opened and viewed only once. WhatsApp's View Once feature allows you to send disappearing pictures, ensuring that the recipient can only view the image once. I will show you how to use this feature. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Choose the contact or group to which you want to send the disappearing picture. You can take a new photo using your camera or choose an existing photo from your gallery. I will choose picture from my gallery. After picture selection, look for an icon that resembles the number 1 inside a circle. This is the View Once feature. Tap on it to enable the disappearing picture mode. We got message that with the latest update the recipient can't take a screenshot of it. Click OK. After enabling the View Once feature, tap the Send button to share the disappearing picture. When the recipient opens the picture, they can view it once. After viewing, it will disappear, and they won't be able to see it again. Now, the message recipient can open it. Since screenshots are prohibited, a screen recorder cannot capture this part. We can see that we received a message indicating that the picture has been opened. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and become part of the digital family.